What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Kayla Rouser-Davis, and today we are going to do a Get Ready With Me Thanksgiving edition. So we're going to do a soft glam look, we're going to do skincare, and we're going to do our hair all in this video. So I do want to give a shout out to Teami Blends for sending me their detox mask, which I've been loving all month. You guys, this is like the best detox mask ever. It's so perfect. Like, this is the most perfect detox mask ever. It's great for sensitive skin. It's great for all skin types. I love that I can use it as a full mask or I can use it as a spot treatment. I feel like this does really detox my face and gives me that nice, smooth, glowy skin that we all need and love. I love that it also has lemongrass, clay, and matcha green tea in it. And also it's cruelty-free, vegan, and it's made with organic ingredients. So that's good that we are not using any chemicals on our face. I love that it has a thick consistency, and I love that it actually detox my face. So to remove this mask, I'm going to use a warm, hot towel, or you can use warm, hot water and just splash it and remove it that way. But I feel like I like the towel method better. But I highly recommend this tea. I'll make sure to have a coupon code down below for you guys. And also, I will make sure to have a coupon code on the screen. Now I'm going to go in with my Boscia Rosewater Toner, and also I'm going to go in with my Murad products, and I'll make sure to have everything you guys need to know about my skincare routine down below. And for my cleanser, I just used the Glam Glow cleanser, the one in the white tube, just because I was breaking out. So let's get into the hair. This is the WestKiss hair, and you guys, this is already made into a wig, and this is 26 inches, and the density is 180, love. Like, girl, this wig is life. Like, I received so many compliments. Look at the lace. Can we find the lace today? Nope, we can't, because where is it? where is it, son? So this is the hair. I will make sure to put everything you guys need to know about the WestKiss hair. I recommend this hair, especially this unit. Like, I didn't have that much shedding. At a 1 out of 10, I would say it was about a 3. So I feel like that's really good, especially for some long hair like this. Like, you guys, it wasn't stiff. It was moving when I was moving. It was just perfect, you guys. And I dyed this one black, so it took the color really well. And I do have a video on how I achieve black hair on units, and I just highly recommend it. So make sure you guys watch this video to see how I have this slick hair, and then we will get into the makeup. But make sure you guys check the description box, because I will be putting everything this time in the description box. Y'all, so I'm so upset because I did not get none of the eye portion, but it was super duper easy. And I'm glad I kind of did it because this sun was like really messing up my look. So I'm kind of glad it didn't get it all of it. So I'm kind of happy it didn't record because the sun really messed me up. So I used the Coastal Scents palette, and these are the shades I use in the palette. Hope you guys can see. First shade I went in is called Amazing. Then I went in with Raspberry. Then I took Night Rush, which is up here. And on my lid, I use Fairy Dusk, which is right here. And that's all I used. All I used on my eyes. Super simple, super easy. You're perfect. Your true soft glam look. And for my face, I just used my Juvias foundation sticks. I'm not going to say the name because I'm going to mess it up. So I will try to remember to put it down below. For my concealer, I just used the Juvias concealer in the shade 12. And that's it so far. So you guys really didn't miss anything. And my concealer, not my concealer, my Milk Kush mascara. But you guys really didn't miss anything like amazing or anything. So yeah, that's the only thing so far. So right now I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to go ahead and blend out this concealer that I had sitting on my face. Now I'm so mad that I kind of didn't get it. I'm just going to believe everything. I feel like I can go a shade higher with this. That's what I feel like. Hopefully me telling you guys how the colors of this helps. Well, at least you guys can see the face portion because sometimes it usually be the whole freaking look that I mess up. So I'm kind of happy you guys can see the face portion. Okay, so for my powder, which is not affordable. Well, it is affordable if you get the small one. And the small one costs 15 bucks. I think 12 or 15 bucks. And it lasts me this long, so to me, it's affordable to me. And for my powder, I'm going to go in with the Mahogany powder from Sephora. And y'all see the sun all in my face. Now I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami. And y'all just dug my whole hand in that brush. In this bronzer, so yeah. Then I'm going to use my Coastal Scent blushes. And I want to use this one. And for my highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Face and Body highlighter. So our eye is super simple. We want tear ducts to be blinging. So for our lower lash line, we need to do the same thing that we did on our lower. Did I say that right? So I'm going to take the palette and I'm going to use everything I used in my crease underneath. I'm going to use my NYX Jumbo Pencil in black. And for my lips, I'm going to take the Suede Lip Liner in Downtown Brown. take the NYX Soft Matte Lipstick, and I'm not even gonna try, but I have it down below. I really can't do nothing with this. So I added a little knock on wood because I needed something a little bit lighter. So I'm going to use these lashes. These are not my lashes. Somebody sent me these with that temporary hair dye. So this is what I'm going to try today. Don't know the style or anything, but I'm going to wear those. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, you guys, hair straightened and lashes are popping. So I love you guys so much. I hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.